Take a fresh eggplant. Peel it off. Divide into 3 or 4 pieces according to size. I will use 2 pencils. Place the pencils on the edges carefully and cut them carefully. Take 2 liters of water and 1 tablespoon of salt. Put the divided pieces into it and let them rest for 20 minutes. Take 2 tablespoons of flour. Add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Salt as per taste, 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix them together. Now take the eggplants and squeeze them to take out the water. Now cover all sides with the mixture. Make sure they're covered finely. Heat the oil to a high temperature and fry them in oil. Turn them upside down when browned. Stir them occasionally. Remove from oil when both sides are browned. For the sauce, take 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Add 2 tablespoons of chili sauce. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, and 1 tablespoon of mustard sauce. Now mix them together. They're ready. Use a bit of coriander leaves and onion flower stalks. They're looking tasty. You should try this at home. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Orange Bay for more videos like this.